Hello guys, I bought this old bike, 1997 Honda VTR 1000, and this bike was now running for 2 or 3 years. I didn't try to start it, but I'm gonna try to start if his engine working fine. Then I'm gonna do like a restoration on this bike. I'm gonna go around the bike and show you what parts we need to change or repair. Basically, I bought this bike for like 3,000 zloty because I live in Poland. This is zloty in the Poland, but this is approximately like $600 or maybe 500 British pounds, something like that, which is cheap. The good one you can buy like for over here for 6,000-7,000 zloty, which is like 1,200 bucks or something like that. Okay guys, now I'm gonna show you how many things need to fix, and then we're gonna try to start it. I've got the old battery I put on charge, but I don't think it's gonna work, but if it's working, it's gonna be fine because it's gonna be cheaper work. Let's have a look. Of course the battery is dead, and everything is dusty. Look, the state of this bike, everything is dirty. Is there some cut tracks? It's crack over here. Okay, there's no damage on this side. The chain sprocket is completely gone. See? Is how much loose is there, and it's on maximum. Adjustment is on maximum. The sprocket is completely dead. Tires, look the tires. Somebody burned the tire. I think both tires need to be changed anyway. Okay, let's see. The bike got different shade, you know. I think this is the original paint, and this one somebody painted both sides, these fairings. I think I'm gonna need to match it up the color and put the stickers, or original stickers over there, which I'm gonna show you guys. Oh, look, it's the crack over there as well. I'm gonna show you how to repair this as well. Okay, what we've got, the brakes quite good, but I can see everything is wet of oil, and this is indicate the fork seals need to be changed as well. The engine looks very nice, but it's just dirty, you know. We're gonna wash this after all if you start. I've got some damage on the clutch cover. This is easy to do, to repair. But look, it's nice, everything, you know. It's clean engine, clean shock absorber. Rear brakes are fine. You've got the sports mufflers, Leo Vins, which is quite expensive. It's not too bad at all. Okay, now we're gonna put the battery what I charge, and we're gonna try to start it. First the plus. Okay. And second minus. Remember, This is important. Always first connect the plus. Okay, that's done. Okay, battery is on. Let's try to start. Oh, you see, we've got something. Put the choke. Let's try. Let's see what's happening. Battery is too weak. Okay. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put some jump leads. We'll see what's happening. Let's check what's going on now. Oh, it starts. It starts. Nice, nice. Choke back. Running. Probably it's old petrol. Running rough. I'm gonna leave it running for a few minutes and we'll see what's happening. It's running nice. Running really nice. We're gonna put some new petrol, oil and filter, and then we're gonna start do some cosmetic stuff, you know, like put the tires on, change sprockets. It's gonna be nice bike. Okay. Guys, the bike was running like 10 minutes, getting warm, the fans kick in, everything seems to be fine. Even on the old battery, I think, look, is start on the old battery with no problem, which is another plus. I hope that battery is gonna last. The old battery is gonna be another like $40–50 less to spend.
Thank you for watching my video. If you want to watch more episodes of repairing and restoring this Honda VTR 1000 Firestorm, and other motorcycles, subscribe to my channel, and to stay up to date, press the notification bell. I wish you a pleasant viewing. Take care.